Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to use Pandabuy. So let's get started. First, you just have to go to any web browser and then type Pandabuy. Now, what is this platform or what is this Pandabuy? China-based Pandabuy is an online marketplace. The Pandabuy website allows Westerners to access the Chinese e-commerce sector. It shouldn't come as a huge surprise that content creators releasing haul films on TikTok are contributing to the platform's exclusive growth in popularity. So, to start with this platform or this e-commerce site, you can just simply go to the upper right corner and look for some features there to help you to start with this. So we have here beginner's guide, we have here help center, and to start, you just have to click sign up. Now you have to enter or select your country here and then enter some information like email address, password, and verification code. So what you want to do here is to simply go to your email address to verify and in order for you to log into your account. So once done, this is what it looks like. So I have created my Pandabuy account and we have here a different and popular products. But first, I'm going to show you if you have this product that you want to buy and you want to know more information about the transportation or how much it costs to transfer this product and so on. So what you want to do is to simply go to this estimation button. You can see it before your profile. Okay, tap this one. And what you want to do here is to just simply select the correct information. Okay, choose the correct information. For example, your country or the country, shipping info. And then here you have to select category. Okay, let's just say clothing and accessories, but everything is up to you. For tutorial, I had to choose this one. And then for this weight right here, if you don't know the weight of the product, you can go to any web browser and then look for that weight or grams of the specific product here. So you can enter the information as well as the height and the weight of this product. So once you're done with the information, then you have to click this inquire and you will see some of the details here. Okay. So if you want to see more details, you just have to click see details. But as you can see, this is the estimated cost, weight, and transit. Okay, so the arrival of your items and the cost, the money that you need or the amount that you need to prepare. And actually, you can change everything here, like the information. If in case you change your mind, like you want to ship this item to other country, you can just simply modify or change the information above. Okay. So if you want to send this to United States or if you want to send this to China or Australia, you can just simply change and tap this arrow facing down, go to the specific country. So you can just simply select and then also change the information, the numbers here, and then inquire. And yes, you can see here the same thing, the exact information about shipping info, the weight, the transit, and so on. So all you have to do is to change the numbers and information here. So that's it. Now you will have the enough knowledge or you know what to do if this product is, sent to this country and how much you need to pay for this product, how much you pay for, this kind of categories here in Pandabuy. So you have the idea already. And thanks to this estimation button above. So if you notice the cost really differs, depends on the place or country, the product, the weight, the height, and the weight. So you have to make sure that you have this enough money if you want to send this kind of product. Okay, so once you're done with this shipping fee estimation, I'm going to show you how to search a product here in Pandabuy. So in order for you to search a product here in Pandabuy, you just have to click Pandabuy again. Tap this to look for shop or product, and then you can search the product name here. Or you can choose this gallery or picture image to simply search your product. For example, you have found a product or a wonderful product here on Reddit, or you want to search that specific product and you saw that before in Reddit. So you have to look or search for this again. So for example, this one. All you have to do is to save this picture. And then once done, you can now go back to Pandabuy and then tap this. And then once you have import the file, then they will show you, or Pandabuy will show you tons of the same design, okay, or exactly the same product. And then if you can't find it there, you can go to AliExpress and look for that product too. For example, this one, it's the same thing. So you can save this and then go back to Pandabuy and then import this image and search it in Pandabuy. As easy as that. Okay, so once you have found that specific product that you want to buy, all you have to do is to click and, of course, add this to your cart. Okay, but before you add this to your cart, you have to select the information or, the options here. So for the sizes, you just have to click the sport. For color, you can tap the right color for you, quantity, and then you have to agree with their terms and conditions. And then once done, you have to click to cart. Okay. So once you tap this add to cart, you have to tap your profile and look for orders. Here are any of this here. It will take you to this page, and all you have to do is to look for a cart. Then here you will see the product that you have added. Tap this one again. You can change quantity if you want. You can add, you can decrease. And then, of course, once done, what you want to do is to simply click submit. Okay? You can double check if you want. So after you click submit here, then you have to prepare for your payment method. Okay, so tap submit. And then you have to recheck again. Okay, and then click this one or make sure that the location or the address is correct. So if something is incorrect or missing here, then you cannot proceed. So you have to review and make sure that you have selected or put the exact information or correct information. So once you have added the shipping address and the information here, then you can now click continue and tap your payment provider here. So we have PayPal, Stripe, Visa, MasterCard, Alipay, and so on. So all you have to do is to tap that one. They have also here balance. Okay, so all you have to do is to top up. And once you have confirmed your payment method, tap confirm payment, and that's it. So if you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.